Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to send crypto from your Phantom wallet to your Coinbase. Now, if you haven't already, since we're on the PC and I'll be using the Web3 extension or the browser extension version of Phantom, let me show you how to get it. Just simply type in Phantom. Here we have Phantom wallet. Click on the first result here and simply click download for Chrome. It will take us to the Chrome web store where we simply have to add to Chrome. It will give us a pop-up, confirm the add extension. As we can see, it's already downloading here on the top right. Once it's installed, it will automatically open up a new tab where it lets us create a new wallet or load up an existing one. If you load up an existing wallet, you have 4 options here. In my case, I will connect the email. I will continue with email, Google, enter your PIN, and then create a password. Get started, and it will automatically open the side panel. You can close this side panel and open it up from this icon right here, the plugins or extensions. You can see Phantom. You can open it as an extension, or like the side panel, click on the 3 dots icon and then open side panel. Now you can safely close this tab right here along with this. And now we can send from our Phantom wallet to our Coinbase. There are a few ways to do this because you have to know if you are trying to send to your Coinbase exchange or to your Coinbase wallet, because those are 2 different things. But here on the exchange, from the homepage, we simply hover down over to our lower right hand side and tap on receive crypto. Now let's say we want to receive Solana. We can copy this address, or you can scan this with your phone if you have your Phantom wallet on your phone. But in this case, I will simply click on copy address and go over here to my Phantom wallet, click send, go to Solana, and then paste the address. Now, I don't have funds on this account, but this here is the minimum amount of SOL that we can deposit. We will see the fees once we enter the amount, if we have the amount. And then simply click next and follow the verification steps. Now, if we are sending to our Coinbase wallet, go over to the top right or the upper right of the screen onto these dots icon, click on wallet. And in this case, you will see the receive button on the lower left hand side of your screen over here at receive. Now, here are the addresses that we can receive. You can manually search for a coin, but in this case, since we are transferring SOL, this will be what we need to copy and paste over to our Phantom wallet here. And as you can see, the addresses are not the same. And that is how you send crypto from your Phantom wallet to your Coinbase exchange or wallet on the PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.